We're in South Africa! I made it! I told you I would. High five! Excellent! What picture would you like to make?
Musical instruments!
And what instruments will we see in our picture?
A guitar.
A guitar?
Tambourine.
Tambourine! Like it!
Drums.
The drums! I love the drums! Right, everybody drum! Go! I think we're ready, aren't we? Great! Let's make it together.
I'm making the drum.
This is the guitar. And these are the panpipes. And we'll need a colourful background. We're having a marvellous musical time here, and that's just given me a great idea. Why don't you make something too? Have fun and make some noise with this great toy drum. You will need an old clean plant pot, an empty yoghurt pot, gloopy glue and a brush, scraps of colourful tissue paper, a circle of brown paper and a glue stick, and an elastic band and stickers. Ask an adult to help you find a small, clean plastic plant pot and stick it to a clean yoghurt pot to make a drum shape, like this. Now cover everything with gloopy glue and pieces of coloured tissue paper and leave it to dry. Then take a circle of brown paper and scrunch it up. Open it out again and place it on top of the drum. Use an elastic band to hold the paper in place like this. It can be tricky, so you might need to ask an adult to help you. Decorate your drum with lots of colourful stickers. And your drum is finished and ready to play. What a lovely idea. Why don't you try it? But right now, let's see how our marvellous musical picture's coming along. Nearly finished. Oh, well done, everyone. We made it together! Yay! Fantastic! That picture sounds as good as it looks.